I forgot the stick, so I have to come and get the stick right here. If you without this stick, it's hard to find the hot snake clam. Nãy giờ là khu quá piam tao tao ở nãy giờ nó áo này nè, áo này tại mình trộn đi khuất nó, mình vết đuôi, bùng bài ạ, mình vết bùng bài nữa, go get stick some clam, swing down right there. We're getting ready to get hot snake clam, bùng bài. Tham cô tòng đi dễ buông mà phóc kim buông rồi phóc cái gì phóc dễ buông vào xây tàu tao ông thùng đàn cái trang gì hả là nó hiểu ông thùng đàn nữa bây giờ đó ngày các bạn dễ lớn một cái nha cái gì cái tệ ông thôn đan kho vô ông thôn đan mình ra ở đàn cơ được con chỉ dễ lắm cái đấy lỗ chứ nhẹ a lot, but this one like they call Washington clam. Nhưng nó chun như này nó hiểu Washington nha, Mumbai nọ. Ní hang nôm nó hô tại này. Big one like this, but too much rock. Now wow, nó biết chăm hảo, hả vậy? Yeah.
But you don't bet no.
No, not this one. It look like, but not. Oh yeah, this one, but tiny. Oh, this one big. Oh my God, this one's so big. This one's so big. Oh yeah. Yeah. This one's so big. Oh yeah. This one's so big. Oh, this is so big too.
You feel it?
Yeah, I feel it. One in here. One in here and one in here. Oh yeah. Put it here.
You want to hold on?
Yeah, this big one. Can you break this?
I do.
And this one? Let me see. It's hard to find right now. Go. This one's too small, the one today. It's too big. No, not this one.
This one, I guarantee.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's big. I think this one. I think no. The water is over. Over. Shake này. Nhìn cái sốt này. Oh my god. Nhìn cái sốt này. Medium hả? Medium size. Got two yellow. Okay. Got two medium size. Two medium size. Ôi yo, PP. Thử nó mấy lô. Check it out. Ta cũng cuốn phải ta gom cả cuốn nhỏ. Đi nợ biếu đi. Ngồi được cầm biếu vậy sao? Oh my god, mèo mèo. Mèo mèo yên tươi. Mấy số chỉ dễ bom số nổ sao không? Gậy đi mà, em nấu cái vậy. Hả? Nó mà nó phạt luôn. Cái bị chỉnh. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, both of them. They're close. Got it. Oh, no, not hold on. Check. That's so big.
Oh baby, I got it now.
You got it? Why? Why? I don't get it. Let me see. Let me see your. That's only medium one. Yeah. That's it. Nó chế mình tao tự luôn. Yeah. A little bit. Look around. Let's see how. Okay.
You gotta get down dirty, man. You wanna do this?
Yep. Let me see. You dig one. You put too much your time to do. Cover the water.
Yeah, there's no water. Look.
Yeah. So let water not come in. Yeah. You can do it, muscle man. You can do it. You're gonna break your back before you get one. Oh my god, it's so big. So big. I can touch. Maybe hide it off. I put this in here. After I finish this one, then I get it. Let me see this. This one like water off.
Get the clam out the muscle one.
Hi. Oh, that's Washington clam.
Why it looks so like on steroid?
Washington clam. Keep it. Yeah. Nè, you see water like this, you just guessing to take. Nè bên là quay nó con mu trên sầu nó yếm hài yếm hiu mu trên wet. Just guess where it at, and then that's why you have stick on, so you know where that at. Thôi thầy ơi, thầy mày nè, pia nó bạc trên nó mày tự hiu tôi có yếm hài đây là quite wet ha. Okay, wet kìa. Yeah. Hả? Use two finger to digging around. I don't know, you know, but don't have a quick lên này tập đua. Sao nó sao? Oh, not bad. Yeah, not bad. Really? Thôi nhé, cứ ạ.
Hả?
Cứ ạ.
Có nhỉ?
Có nhé. Look at my. What does it come in? You see it? What does it come in? Từ nó cuốn nó quay quay nữa. Okay. This one's big. What does it come in? Use the. Nãy cái này có một thô. Yeah, with the shell too. Nhìn nhé. Shake like that, see? This one not bad, honey. This one not bad. Look at this one, not bad. Not bad. The pain on me. The four already. Limit 10, so at the 4. Look for more. Look for more. You back pain? Don't do it. Yeah. Yeah, some hole like this. Let's check around. Okay, this one. Oh, no. Oh, look, you have a hot tub. Should get one. Mà tay cho ả ta nè. Okay, you wait a minute. I'm looking around. Biểu tự nhiên nó khuất. Nó có hố cơ. Too big. It built itself, but I didn't want to get time for that. It built by itself. Huh? This? Or the tiny one? Where's it at? Look at the hole. Oh, look at the grass swim, eh? Right there?
This for fishing.
I know, go swim at. Get it. Where's it at? Yeah? Nè, go swim nè rồi. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Oh my god. Nè, not bad. Cứ nắm ta. Tắt chứ mày bữa. Okay, I'm gonna go around. Yeah. Look around. How big you got? You say feel like you got a lot of? Đi con nôm đó. Thô có chủ là hoàn thì đấy nữa. Quên mà cả. Thô có đủ chủ là hoàn thì đấy nó lọt vào đây. Yeah. Yeah. No, you wait, look at it. No, just a medium size. Medium size. Look at this one, so easy. There. Oh yeah. Yeah. You got it. Hold on. Look at this one, so easy. Yeah. Yeah. This is so easy. This one very easy. Right. Got it now. How long you gonna take? 15 minutes? 20 minutes. Very big. Check, yeah. I hope not small. I hope not small. Got it? Woo! It's not small, look at that. That's big. Dang, look at that. Yep, that's big. Champion. Champion. Let me see how many.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Thứ hả lắm nhá. Got 5. Oh, me too. I got 2, 4, 5. Even. Even. Yeah. Even how? Yeah, this one's so easy to get. Yeah, too fine. Put it. This one.
Yeah.
Not so. I have a lot of water, but I still get it. See? Not too bad. 2, 4, 5, 6 vậy luôn. Just 6 no. Tôi nhá. Look at that one. Big one, got big too. Look at bird. Duck. Wait, ta nó đi tụi keng ta nhả nó. They got warm. See, they got warm. Ooh. Ooh, the birds, little bird. Anh nhá nhúng chán. Oh my God, birds are free. My berry out. I'm gonna can't see it. Maybe I cannot record anymore. My berry out now. Out. No more. Sunset already. Cannot see it. Còn hơi đót khôi nào chụp thua nào. I guess that's all for today. That's all for today. You have to clean it and get out. Sunset already. Bỏ hơi đót khôi nào đấy. Hai wait nè. Wait tụ vào tiền không? 2, 4, 6. Tụ 6 nôm ha. Limit 10 nè bà tụ chút nôm ha. Limit 10 nôm bà tụ chút nôm ha. Hỏi xe bên vùng bài trên bài giờ bữa nay họ cả hát tại như video nó subscribe cái điều thì tôi mẹ tôi mảng như sang video mi tổ okay. Thank you mảng thank you for watching. If you guys like my video, please subscribe below and you get to see next video. Okay, thank you, bye for now.